Craving chocolate? Here's how to make brownies using 2 ingredients. I bet you've already got them in your kitchen. All you need to make these 2 ingredient brownies is 1 cup of hazelnut spread. You can also use chocolate peanut butter, or you can use peanut butter if you really like peanut butter. Pop that into a bowl and add 4 eggs. Spray an 8-inch square pan with nonstick baking spray, the kind with flour, and then add that brownie batter right to your pan. And it's ready to bake. We are gonna bake it at 350 until it's set. It'll be right around 20 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna slice them and then top them with a little bit of powdered sugar because I think that makes them taste even better. And then we'll eat them. Tastes like a brownie.